Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to see the business model canvas of key players for the benefit of generative AI and agentic systems course. As you know, first, what is business model? It is how it is defined. It is actually a plan or a proposal for the successful functioning of business or successful operation of a business, which helps to identify the various revenue streams or sources of income, how the profit is being generated by looking into the target customer space and the product innovation, how it is being done, the services, how it is being provided, and the details of other financing things. So it is essential and very important for all the people, whoever wants to learn the key drivers of business fitness. So as you see the business model canvas, it has the 9 parameters, namely the 3Ks, key partners, key activities, key resources, 3Cs, customer relationships, customer segments and channels, and the value proposition, which is very, very important. And finally, the outcome is cost and the revenue comes. So when you look into the building blocks of Canvas, as you know, customer segment is people who are giving business to you. And the value proposition is like, why do you do this? And what is the gain you are getting out of it? And the channels are here, how you are delivering the products and services, the medium to the market. And the relationship of maintaining the customer here, it is how you are establishing, how you are keeping up rapport with them, and how you are having a long-term connection with them. And the revenue is the final profit and outcome for like gaining the money business. And key resources are how you are using the various available properties or manpower, all these things like on key activities and key partnerships are more or less connected together. And it is like partnership, merging, collaboration, etc. And finally, the cost structure is like various cost involved, like investments, direct investments, like tax, etc., etc. So let us see the interesting example of Google, how this company doing the best business model. See here, you see that the interconnection between the value proposition and customer segments and revenue streams, which makes a difference. As you know, well, the value proposition of Google is like free, fast search ads, search ads, and display ads. Okay, and they are getting revenue like through free and free ads, sometimes display ads also. They are providing revenues. And here the customer segments are the main thing, like search user, advertisers, and content owners. So how this interdependency it makes a sense like they Google makes money from the advertiser customer segment whose ads appear either in the search results or on the web pages, only in these two things. So this money is subsidized a free offering to the other two customer segments like search users and the content owners. So this model it has a network element to it, which is more ads it displays to the web searchers, the more advertisers it attracts. On the other side, and the more advertisers it attracts, the more content owner it attracts. So this is the uniqueness of the Google business model. And also another uniqueness, like a key resource in Google's business model is to search the platform, including google.com, or sometimes with the AdSense of content owners or for AdWords for advertisers. And here the key strategic activity is to manage the existing platform, including its infrastructures. So Google key partners are obviously the content owners from whom a large part of its revenue is generated. You can see the term like OEMs, original equipment manufacturers, also form a key part. So OEMs are companies who produce mobile handset to the Google provides its Android operating system for free. In return, what they are doing when users of these handsets search the internet, they use the Google search engine by default. So that's the rapport and connection, collaboration between the Google and the company, the manufacturer companies. So this creates the ecosystem and generating more revenue to this. So another example is Skype. Maybe we can discuss in the future. The Skype also is adopting the same kind of revenue streams by having the interdependency connection between value proposition customer segments. Okay, yeah, because as you know that Skype is also providing the cheap calls, free internet, video calling as a value question, and they are using the freemium approach to enhance their business. So this is the key parts of Skype's business model. where you can see that 10% of users are signing up for the prepaid service. So the ability to make the phone calls are easier and cheaper, and video calls also. That is the difference. And so Skype does not need that much infrastructure at all because it's a backend software and servers hosting the user accounts. And looking at the partnership, it is supporting telecom network through the telecom service providers. Okay, we can take this Gillette as an assignment. Maybe we can discuss about the Gillette in the next class. Thank you very much.